Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to duplicate a part of an image in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, I select the quick selection tool. You can use for another selection tool as your wish. I select this quick selection tool, increase the size for selection, then click and select it. Simply press Ctrl J or hold Alt. I use press Ctrl J or duplicate layer. And another way to duplicate, hold Alt, click and drag it. Now we can see this duplicate part of an image. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.